we're rolling.
What Sisters Jammin' has meant to me is fun, relaxation, the awesome ability to have sistership, which is a lot to me more feminine and more intimate than fellowshipping. To sistership at Sisters Jammin' in Jamaica has just been one of the highlights of my life. I have just recently celebrated the 10th anniversary of Sisters Jammin', being one of the only ones who has been here all 10 times, and each time has been totally different. I've come into it with no expectations and leave out overfull with memories that will last me a lifetime. I think that Kay has stumbled upon something, maybe, I don't know if she did or if it was always totally planned, but this venue is the bomb, baby. And it's something that a person should do at least once in their lives, to come and sistership with us at Sisters Jammin' in Jamaica.
Your name?
Oh, my name is Star Waters, and I'm from Atlanta, Georgia.
All right.